Hello, this is Nonna Maria. Here I am. And for dinner tonight, frittata. You call it omelette and you have it in the morning. In Italy, we have almost all the time, we have it for dinner. It's with potatoes. I have fried some potatoes, some onions, this time I'm putting half a zucchini, not zucchini, zucchini, because it was half of it. I fried it already, so this way it will be a quick thing. Oh my God, they all got attached to one another. Okay. And 3 eggs with pecorino romano, a little salt, and a little pepper. So now, we're gonna put everything together with the egg. Okay. Lower the flame. Wait a little bit. And then start poking some holes in it. So this way the eggs goes everywhere. Don't scratch your pan. Now it's almost ready. If it was a bigger one, I would have put it in the oven for the top. But I'm gonna try the dish trick. Just wait a second. Voila! I did it! Yay! Now we do the other side.